Today we're gonna make Pappardelle Carbonara. It's a delicious pasta. It's an awesome dish. Nice, thick and rich cream. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Ciao, Anthony Russo, Russo's New York Pizzeria. Today I'm cooking with Rocco. We're gonna make Pappardelle Carbonara. Now you're supposed to use spaghetti carbonara, traditional recipe, but I'm gonna use Pappardelle pasta. Look at this. Check it out. Isn't that cool looking? So what do you think? Looks funny, huh?
Yeah.
Wait till you cook it, it's gonna open up by itself. It's a delicious pasta. It's an awesome dish. So I'm gonna make Pappardelle Carbonara. I'm gonna use pancetta ham, and you can make it two ways. You can make American style carbonara sauce or Italian Roman style. I'm gonna make it Roman style with eggs and grated fresh Pecorino Romano cheese and salt and pepper. Simple, easy to make, and you can make it at home, Rocco. Capiche? First step, we're gonna cook the pasta, and then we're gonna dice the pancetta ham by 1/4 inch thick. This is like smoked bacon. It's an Italian version of smoked bacon. It's gonna be a fun dish. So we're gonna cut it about 1/4 inch thick. There we go. When we use a saute pan, we use extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna add the pasta to the dish. We're gonna beat 2 eggs together, and then we're gonna put this in a saute pan with the spaghetti and everything else. I'll show you. Traditional. Ready? All right, let's cook. Extra virgin olive oil. We use pancetta ham. So I add pancetta first with olive oil. I'm gonna get this crispy. I'm gonna add salt to the boiling water and add my pasta. Pasta, we're gonna cook it for 6 minutes. Al dente, nice and crispy. Smells really good. And this dish is made with spaghetti traditionally, but I'm gonna use Pappardelle pasta. Get this nice, beautiful wide noodle. It'll be the best Pappardelle Carbonara you ever had. Look at that. Pasta's nice and wide. It's fun to eat. Now a little bit of salted water. Salt, lots of pepper, and eggs. It's really good, nice and good. Very nice. You get a Romano cheese, top it off, and there we have it. Pappardelle Carbonara. Nice, thick and rich cream. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Very nice. Mangiamo. Let's eat. Here we go. Pronto. Look at that. Beautiful Pappardelle Carbonara. Go. Beautiful pasta. Made fresh to order. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? Perfect dish. Pappardelle Carbonara at Russo's New York Pizzeria. Visit our website at nypizzeria.com or come see our stores. Mangiamo. Let's eat. Ciao.